Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply remove all your crypto from Binance. It's an easy process, but you're going to need an account first of all. So by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading bonuses and rebates once you use our link to register and verify your account. So now once you've logged in with your verified account, your next step is quite simple. Simply head over to the wallet section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, so you can have an overview of all your assets. As you can see here, I've got some crypto in different networks and different tokens, the BitTorrent, the SHIB, and the Sushi. So all I need to do is head over to the home, click on this convert here, and simply convert all of those cryptocurrencies into USDT for withdrawals. So now let's search for SHIB, and we're going to be converting it to USDT. So now simply enter an amount of the SHIB, click on max, and simply click on preview conversion, and you've converted your SHIB. So now once you've been able to convert your available cryptocurrencies into one solid cryptocurrency, all you need to do now is head over to the wallet section, click on the particular token and select withdraw. So click on withdrawal, click on send via crypto network, and now we're met with the USDT menu. So now your next step is to simply minimize, open up a wallet. And the wallet I'm using for this video is Trust Wallet, seeing as the wallet supports the USDT, and I'm sending this USDT on the BEP20 network. So simply click on this receive here and search for USDT, or you can simply use this icon at the top left, at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and search for USDT. Now you could simply scroll through and find the BEP20, which is this, or if you prefer another network, you can use ERC20. Whatever cryptocurrency asset you want to withdraw in, just make sure the network matches. So click on this receive, copy this address, minimize, head back to Binance and paste this here. Enter the BEP20 as the receiving network. Put in the minimum, which is this, and then simply click on withdraw. And by clicking on this withdraw now, the USDT would then be sent over to your Trust Wallet, where you simply reload and you'd find the USDT there. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about any of these, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.